Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. 4 months ago, our 100 megabyte portfolio lost $400K yearly to undetected string faults. The O&M team had the data but wasn't reading it. By manual discovery, they'd lost 1.3 MAs. Recovery took 3 months. AI caught it in hours. String faults are invisible daily. Performance looks fine with 99% availability. But subsurface, 1 string per inverter degrades 2% monthly. Over a year, that's a 22% energy loss on a critical section. For the 100 megabyte portfolio, that's $2 in undetected losses. SCADA is too coarse. It measures inverter output, not string health. I thought, our team reviews data weekly, they'd catch this. But they won't. The team is drowning in data. They manually compare 50 plus inverters across 20 sites, looking for anomalies in thousands of data points. This is a job for machines, not humans. AI doesn't get tired or miss patterns. Step 1, baseline modeling. AI learns what normal looks like for each string under different weather conditions. It builds a digital twin of expected performance. Step 2, live deviation detection. Every 5 minutes, actual performance is compared to the model. A 3% deviation flags as a genuine anomaly, not noise. Step 3, predictive escalation. AI doesn't just flag, it predicts cost impact. It tells us this string will cost X dollars over the next 90 days, send a technician. It takes 48 hours to identify a fault with AI. Without AI, it takes 6 months. String faults hide in plain sight. Traditional monitoring can't catch them. The game changer is real-time AI anomaly detection. It's not guessing or averaging, but predictive flagging. You might have this problem now. String faults, inverter drift, thermal anomalies are running silently. The only way to know is to audit. Schedule a free AI-powered portfolio assessment. In 30 minutes, we can run AI anomaly detection on 12 months of historical SCADA data. We'll identify hidden faults and thermal losses, quantifying recovery revenue potential. This is the baseline. Once you know what's missing, you can decide to fix it. Book below. The first 25 operators will get a detailed fault forensics report. Our $100 portfolio was losing $400K yearly to undetected string faults until AI caught the problem in hours. Not months. See how AI-driven anomaly detection identifies hidden faults that manual monitoring misses for over 6 months. Take action now. Schedule your free AI portfolio assessment. Let our AI audit 12 months of SCADA data to identify hidden string faults and inverter degradation, thermal losses, and performance anomalies. We'll provide the exact recovery revenue potential. Book today. The first 25 operators will get a detailed forensics report. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.